In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift a TradingView subscription. Whether it's for a friend, a colleague, or someone you feel would benefit from the advanced features of TradingView, gifting a subscription can be a thoughtful and valuable gesture. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you'll confidently know exactly what to do. To get started, you'll need to visit the recipient's profile on TradingView. There are a couple of ways to reach it. Either search for their username directly within TradingView or use a direct link if you have one. Being on their profile page is essential because it's from here that you'll be able to initiate the gifting process. Once you're on their profile page, you'll spot a button labeled Gift a Subscription. When you click on this button, it seamlessly guides you to the options available for gifting a subscription. TradingView offers 3 tiers you can choose from: Essential, Plus, and Premium. Each comes with its unique set of features and benefits designed to enhance the TradingView experience. Depending on how extensively the recipient plans to use these analytics tools, choose the plan that best fits their needs. After deciding the plan, you'll need to consider the duration of your gift. TradingView provides you the flexibility to opt for either a monthly subscription or an annual one. If you're feeling particularly generous, or if the recipient is a power user, the annual option might be more fitting, often providing more value over the long term. However, a monthly plan is a perfect way to allow someone to test out the features before committing to a longer duration. Once you've settled on the plan and the duration, it's time to finalize your gift through payment. TradingView offers multiple payment options to cater to your convenience. You can pay via card, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency where supported. This ensures that no matter what your preferred payment method is, the process remains straightforward. The beauty of gifting a subscription on TradingView is that it's activated almost immediately. Once the transaction is completed, the recipient will receive a notification alerting them to your generous gift. Additionally, they'll get an email in their inbox with all the details, ensuring they won't miss it. That's it. Your thoughtful gift is now on its way to being enjoyed. Remember, whether it's aiding in their investment strategies, enhancing their charting capabilities, or simply giving them a more robust set of tools to work with, gifting a TradingView subscription is more than just a present. It's an investment in their journey. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to share the power of TradingView with others. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting!